How beautiful is this? My name is Amber, and I want to let you in on a little secret. Australian Honey Ventures produces honey from one of the most cleanest and unique environments in the world. Our Jarrah, red gum and blackbutt medicinal honeys are produced in nutrient-rich and pesticide-free soils. Western Australia is truly a land of natural wonder. Our pristine forests, native shrubs and unpolluted coastlines are the envy of many countries. You won't find honey like this anywhere else in the world. So come on and try it. You know you want to.